much time. That evil serpent won't stop until he's destroyed me.
Oh, tough break, Thundra. Can we drop you somewhere on our way back to Agrabah?
I trusted my rainforest to you. You told me you knew what you were doing.
Airborne Snake at 12 o'clock high.
Okay, I'll admit this much. I didn't take the job seriously, and I didn't really pay attention to what you said about how to use the weather power, and now I want somebody to make it all better.
I'll do my best. Everybody, blend in.
That genie is swift. He has swept the victims from my grasp. For now.
All clear. Move out.
Come, we will hide under the cover of my rainforest.
Hiding is good. I'm a top-notch hider. We can't live in the past, honey. Especially the immediate past.
You're right, hair boy. He's sunk. Thundra, this is Iago you're talking about. When he said he was reliable, he meant reliable in a deceitful, conniving kind of way.
Ginny's right. I am deceitful, conniving, and sneaky. When in doubt, go with your strengths.
I know you're close, Thundra. Dangerously close.
Where did Iago go?
I don't think he's the one to worry about.
You, Stretch!
Then again...
Yeah, you! The long, sinister reptilian guy. Oof! Easy, I've got a deal for you.
A defector? You wish to join my side?
You want Thundra, right?
Oh, I do.
And Genie too, huh?
See.
Signed, sealed, and delivered.
What?
They're yours.
Some prison, Mulcho. You forgot the bars. Oh, lightning bars. I knew that.
The idea of a sidekick is rather intriguing.
Oh, please. I prefer to be considered a toadying sycophant.
I do tire so of talking to myself, rehashing this evil scheme, brainstorming that one.
Hey, I've toadied under the vest. References available upon request.
And if a scheme fails, perhaps I'll slap you around a bit. Yes, please?
Oh, sure! Have a party!
I envision a storm to end all storms. One for the history books, my little flunky.
But first, we get rid of them.
And how do you propose we get rid of them, my insignificant lackey?
Well, Thundra's little book has some juicy spells in it.